In this example, we're going to be looking to see which of these angles are coterminal with each other. Now remember, coterminal angles end at the exact same location on the circle, and therefore, being in degrees, they must be 360 degrees apart. All right, so if I want to figure out which ones are 360 degrees apart, a great way to do it is to take one of the angles and try like adding 360 to it and see where it gets us. So I'm going to start with the negative 140. So if I do negative 140 plus 360, that ends up giving me 220. Now we can see right now that 160 and 220, they're not going to be coterminal because in order to be able to get from 140 to 220, we passed 160. So the 160 and the 140 are not going to be coterminal with each other. However, where does the 580 fit in with it? Is the 580 coterminal with the negative 140? Is it coterminal with the 160? We would assume that it should be one of those. It's just a matter of figuring out which one. Well, since I already have this 220 degrees, I'm going to try seeing what's coterminal with that. So I'm going to do the 220 plus another 360 to see where that drops us off. So if I add those two together, that gives me 580 degrees, which means that yes, the negative 140 and the 580 are the two that happen to be coterminal with each other. Anytime I can add a multiple of 360 and get to the number, they are coterminal. Now, alternatively, I could have tried checking the 160. If I had done 160 plus 360 and plus 360, I would not have gotten to 580. So that's how we would know that that one does not work.